Is it a good time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Intel. Our initial report was posted on our website on Thursday, February 1, 2024. Now, we're here to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 26, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate with a score of -3.75. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock experienced a loss of -0.66%. This means that, on average, it has been losing -0.13% per day since being listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a strong upward trend, presenting a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $43.20 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and a possible trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 18.66% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 18.22% to 48.07%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a suggested 59.97% change over the next year, offering a potential return between 39.2% and 94.26%. This translates to a price range of $60.36 to $84.23 after a year. Our latest update on Intel reveals that the stock price ended at $43.36 on Thursday, showing a gain of 0.650%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, February 1, 2024, the Intel stock price experienced a 0.650% increase, climbing from $43.08 to $43.36. Throughout the day, the stock witnessed a fluctuation of 2.54%, with a low of $42.49 and a high of $43.57. Although the price has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by -7.23% for this specific period. The volume of shares traded decreased by 13 million on the last day, with a total of 38 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.65 billion. It's important to note that a decline in volume accompanied by higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $24.73. Currently, the price stands at 15.44% below the 52-week high, which is a difference of $7.92. Furthermore, it is 37.42% below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2020, when the price surged to $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Goldman Sachs downgraded Intel to a sell grade with a hold action. On Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer assigned Intel a perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Intel a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Tigris Financial upgraded Intel to a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham assigned Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of neutral. They also rate the PE ratio as neutral and the price to book as neutral. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of buy. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Intel. Despite gaining prices, the volume of Intel's stock fell during the last trading day. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign, making it important to closely monitor the stock. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued, which could potentially impact its short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals for Intel, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. If the stock corrects upwards, it will face resistance at the price levels of $45.07 and $46.94. However, if it breaks above these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 14.58% decline so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal that occurred 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal that occurred 2 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal that occurred 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal that occurred 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal that occurred 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal that occurred 67 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that occurred 212 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel currently finds support from accumulated volume at $43.35. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. It's important to keep an eye on this. Moving on to the risk associated with Intel stock. With its average movements during the day and good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. It's not too high, but still something to be cautious about. Taking a closer look, we can see that in the past day, the stock moved $1.08 between its high and low, representing a 2.54% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.11%. These figures give us an idea of the stock's recent performance. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Intel. One crucial factor to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Intel currently has an extremely high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 25, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing the potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock shows a positive trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $43.65. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this level could be considered for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a decline, Intel's first support level is at $43.35. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. The consensus rating for Intel from multiple analysts is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 29, 2024, Patrick P. Gelsinger conducted an insider buy of 3,000 shares of common stock. On December 29, 2023, Frank D. Yeary conducted an insider buy of 141,791 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Gregory D. Smith conducted an insider buy of 62,189 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Andrea Jo Goldsmith conducted an insider buy of 522,388 shares of phantom stock units. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger conducted an insider buy of 13,063 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.515. Overall, insiders purchased 336,611 shares and sold 403,532 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and we haven't set a stop loss. Is Intel stock a good buy? Despite a positive trend, the Intel stock currently holds several negative signals. Based on our analysis, we believe Intel will perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 2nd, we expect Intel to open down $0.220 and start trading at $43.14. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts by commenting below. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.